take a comfortable seated position. Allow your spine to be tall and relaxed. Gently roll your shoulders back and down. Rest your hands softly in your lap, with your palms facing upward. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, and exhale completely. One more time, breathing in calmness, breathing out tension. Allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm. With every inhale, invite peace into your body. With every exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Feel your body becoming lighter. Feel your mind becoming quieter. And feel yourself arriving fully in this present moment. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Imagine a beautiful golden light glowing there. Warm, radiant, peaceful. This light is the energy of possibility, the energy of creation, the energy of your highest self. With every breath, this golden light expands, growing brighter, growing stronger, filling your entire body with positive energy. Now bring to mind one desire, one dream, one goal you would love to manifest into your life. See it clearly. There is no need to figure out how it will happen. Simply allow yourself to imagine it already existing. Picture yourself living that reality. Notice where you are. Notice what you see around you. Notice what you hear. Notice what you feel. Most importantly, notice the emotions. Feel the joy. Feel the gratitude. Feel the confidence. Feel the excitement. Allow those emotions to become stronger with every breath, as if your manifestation has already arrived, as if the universe has already said yes. Repeat silently after me. I am aligned with my highest good. I am worthy of my desires. I trust the timing of my life. I attract positive opportunities with ease. I am a powerful creator. My dreams are becoming reality. Everything I desire is moving toward me now. Take a deep breath in and allow these words to settle deeply into your subconscious mind. Imagine golden energy flowing from your heart into your vision, charging it with belief, charging it with confidence, charging it with certainty. Feel yourself smiling gently, knowing that what you seek is already seeking you, trusting that every step is unfolding perfectly. For the next few moments, simply rest in this feeling, the feeling of already having what you desire, the feeling of gratitude, the feeling of abundance, the feeling of complete trust. Pause, long pause. Now gently bring your awareness back to your breathing. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Notice the surface beneath you. Begin to wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Roll your shoulders softly. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you open your eyes, carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Remember, you are powerful. You are worthy. You are aligned. And your manifestation journey has already begun. Thank you for meditating with me. May your day be filled with abundance, joy, and beautiful possibilities.